Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. Today's video very important regarding Adani Group shares. Significant fall today 14th June 2021. Look at the list. Adani Enterprises closing price 1501, change is minus 6.25%. Adani Green Energy 1212, closing by 0.39% minus. Adani Ports 768, minus 8.49%. Adani Power 141, 5% down. Adani Total Gas 1545, 5% down. Adani Transmission 1523, closing and minus 5%. Why it fell today? National Securities Depository Limited has frozen the accounts of 3 foreign funds which hold shares in Adani Group companies worth around rupees 43,500 crores. As per NSDL's website, the above 3 accounts were frozen on or before 31st May 2021. Account frozen means the funds would not be able to sell or buy any shares. As per reports, the account of the 3 foreign funds were frozen because of insufficient disclosure of information regarding ownership of these funds. It means that there is no clarity on who the investors, owners of these 3 funds are. Reports are suggesting that authorities are investigating money laundering angle. Money laundering means that trying to convert illegally generated money into legal money by transferring it to foreign countries and bringing it to back home country as investment from some foreign funds. The 3 funds whose accounts have been frozen all have the same address in Mauritius. SEBI had updated the Know Your Customer documentation for foreign institutional investors. Funds were given time till 2020 to comply with the new norms. If they fail to give required information, their demat accounts were to be frozen. SEBI had asked for additional information from various foreign institutional investors, including information on ownership of these funds. Also, there is unconfirmed news that SEBI is investigating whether there has been price manipulation in Adani Group stocks, which have gained between 200 and 1000% in the last 1 year. Today evening, there is a special session of YouTube Live by Dr. Bharath Chandra channel at 9:15 p.m. to 9:45 p.m. It's a live session in Kannada. Make sure that you refer it to all your friends. If these reports are true and that foreign funds have been manipulating the share price of Adani Group shares, that it would explain the unbelievable and illogical rally in those stocks during the last 1 year. We will need to wait and see for more news to be released in the coming days. Now the statement by Adani Group has announced that the news that 3 foreign investors' accounts have been frozen is false. It has stated that the information has been circulated to mislead investors and cause unnecessary loss to investing community. As of now, nobody knows the truth. If you are a subscriber of our channel for many months now, we have been mentioning in our website now and then to avoid Adani Group shares since they have been appreciating without logic and rhyme and the price is moving beyond what the fundamentals of the company reflect. The thumbnails were given in the next slides and the links are in the description box below. Please watch the videos. This is the first video, Adani Gas and Kannada. This is the second video in Kannada, Adani Green Energy ಷೇರಿನ ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆ. Today we are asking you a question to all our channel members. Which shares do you prefer for long term? Investing in companies because you are sure of its fundamentals and expect decent to good returns, or B, investing in speculative companies just because the stock price is rising with a chance of making huge profits but also chance of huge losses. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, this is a time to press the subscribe button, bell icon. Video is good. Press like button. Share this video to large number of your friends and comment compulsorily A or B looking at our question. Thank you for seeing this whole video. Bye bye. All the best.